Hi, you guys. Welcome to the Autism Awareness Campaign. I wanted to start off by asking who here would benefit from receiving aid for their autistic child. Okay, so some information about autism. To start off, I wanted to bring up how just having an autistic child usually results in a 27% reduction in family income. That is a lot of money, you guys. That really takes a toll on families, especially those who are already struggling financially. Almost 1/3 of autistic children in the United States, live in poverty. Um, these low-income families are struggling so much to even get their child diagnosed. This is because the diagnosis process is so complex and expensive, and it really just makes it hard to get a diagnosis. So our campaign. Our campaign offers many different forms of assistance to families of low-income autistic children. Um, the AAC financially supports families throughout the diagnosis process and will provide them with other helpful information and resources. For example, they will provide access to doctors that are bilingual and willing to work with families who don't speak English. Um, okay, our campaign also provides interventions so that parents can attend and learn new strategies and ideas for parenting their child. They can also discuss similar situations or struggles they might be experiencing. These interventions really just give struggling parents help and hope for their child. Okay, and to apply, visit our website and fill out the application, and within 24 to 48 hours of submitting the application, you will get an email to let you know if you qualified, and there will be information in that email about what to do after that, where to go after that. And thanks so much for coming. Let me know if you guys have any questions.